I ain't got time to waste. I just got money to gain. I fuck on the baddest bitch, and the cool be switching the lanes. Yeah, hey, when we come through, yeah, when we come.
Alright, y'all, we're back to the channel. We're on the way to the bank right now to go get the money out so get the new for y'all boys. We didn't go get the Tahoe last night because he said he had to go do something with his people or something like that, so we're gonna get that today. Oh, if y'all haven't noticed, if you haven't purchased your mask, just cruising, you know what I'm saying, they only $5. If I ship them out to you, they're gonna be 10, you know what I'm saying, I charge extra 5 for shipping them and stuff like that. So today, y'all, we're on the way to Kingpin right now to go pay for the new set of rims. And we got coffee car tonight. I gotta go pick up Chan's truck today. We're gonna start working on his truck, not tomorrow, cause I got wood line start doing tomorrow, but we're gonna start working on his truck Saturday morning. So we're gonna knock everything out Saturday morning. Rocklights and wheel lights. You're gonna set double row white wheel lights and 12 rock lights installed by me. So y'all stay tuned for that. We got a lot going on for the channel. Hopefully we get Ghost back next week. Hopefully. The lady said that he should be done, but hopefully we'll get him back next week. So we're gonna see how that turns out, and we're gonna get this thing on the road, y'all. Y'all stay tuned.
I ain't got time to waste. I just got money to gain. I fuck on the baddest bitch, and the cool be switching the lanes. Yeah, hey, when we come through, yeah, we getting paid. You can tell how we come through, yeah, we getting paid. Yeah, on my scale, all I get is grade A. Yeah, care about what you do, give a fuck about what you say. Yeah, make a deposit.
The wheels. Stay tuned, y'all. So, yeah, slight little changes on the rim setup. My dog Stephanie, I ain't gonna say he talked me into, but we was like, I had my mind set on these rims that I had really wanted, but I wasn't intentional on really getting them today. So yeah, I ended up buying them. I ain't gonna lie, I love them too. I've been wanting them. At first I didn't want to get them because another dude I already know, he has them. He's in North Carolina, and I was like, man, I don't want to see like no copycat, but I feel like in my opinion, you really ain't copycatting this. You know what I'm saying? This is something you really want, right? Right or wrong? Right. I know, so, you know what I'm saying? If this is something you really want, you know what I'm saying? Go get it. You know, you really ain't copycatting. So yeah, so I don't know, y'all, you might see it in the video, you might not see it in the video, so you just gotta be on the lookout. You're gonna be like, oh, he showed them, you know, yeah. So I posted in the video, but I ain't really like say, you know what I'm saying, this is the one or that was the one, you know what I'm saying. I just posted multiple wheels, so if you could pick and choose which one, if you could find out which wheel I got, this is what I'm gonna do for y'all. And anybody can find out which wheel I got, and you can spot it on the video, I'll send you a free t-shirt, a sticker, and a free face mask. What's down? Come on. Anybody, I'll send it to you. You know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta pay no shipping charge, no nothing. I'll pay for that myself. I got you. So if you can find out which wheel I got from Kingpin, comment below, shoot me a DM, you know what I mean? I'm gonna let y'all know. So yeah, we about to get ready to go pick up my dog Chan's truck. We gotta do a wheel line install. I'm probably already told y'all about that. We're going to coffee car tonight. We're gonna go show out over there, you know what I'm saying, sell some merch. I still got the, you know what I'm saying, t-shirts over here, you know. I got the stickers on deck, face masks on deck. Man, let me see what's one of my most top selling one. Let me see, where is that? Hold up. This bit right here. No, that's the orange. Hold up, I got you. These right here. Man, once you come getting more stickers on the way, I actually got to text some dudes right now. You know, I was just finna do that just now to go text and get more merch. Another thing, comment below on what kind of stickers y'all want. I got hoodies coming out next. I just put in the order for that. So if you want a hoodie, you know what I mean. Once I post them, you could actually, if you send me your money, whenever I post it on which color you want, I actually save your spot, save your hoodie, have it already packaged up. Once I get them in, ship it out to you. What else we got on the way? Man, I've been waiting on them keychains. I don't know what's taking them so long. I got more t-shirts as well on the way. And the rims coming tomorrow. We just got them in. It's a brand new set. The tires are already there. And then all we waiting on is Ghost. Old Ghost. We pray he can get out the shop next week. Other than that, man, we having a good day. Yes, sir. New truck, you know what I mean? Psych, I'm just doing my dog red lights. Dang, boy, I get. That's the radio or something. That little bit sound good. So yeah, y'all, we back in my dog's truck. We had a little issue we ran into. For some reason, his foot pedal didn't want to go. So what I had to do, I had to, you know what I'm saying, do my little research, troubleshoot, got on YouTube, and I had pulled one of his, it's like every time traction control came on, it just wouldn't go. So I pulled that fuse, now it's back rolling, and we good, man. I ain't gonna lie. This little Tahoe, that bitch dumb though. They got speakers in the back of that bitch. Like, yeah, like, I like this. 315s. Yeah, it been nice. I ain't gonna count. He doing this there with this build, real talk. So, yeah, we on the way to drop it off at the house. We're gonna start working on the truck tomorrow morning. Not tomorrow morning, probably like tomorrow evening after we do this other wheel light install. So most likely it's probably gonna be around nighttime-ish, evenish, dusk, something like that, you know. But yeah, man. Y'all stay tuned, bro. I'm finna have this boy lit up for BR, bro. Real talk.
Hey, this gotta be Dino.
Yeah, if they were 60, they'll look even better. Exactly. And see, that's ones I really wanted to go with, but oh yeah, it'll be good.
I think spike lugs look good over here.
Yeah, chrome spike lugs.
The shorter ones.
About to stuff them on them. They're stuffed, bro.
Look how fucking clean.
Shit.
How you tried to do it? All good. This one was a way better shape.
That was stuffed. I ain't gonna cap, man. He did his dab on this. I liked it. What y'all think, man? Comment below. I like this. Even if you put these on 37, she'll be good up.
Yeah. Like I said earlier, I seen the ones on Facebook on there, so they look good. It was on the same exact tires, too.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. This look good, man. I ain't gonna lie.
I don't know why I tightened them all that, man.
Yeah, I mean, I think I got a torque wrench somewhere up in here. I'll torque them down for him.
I mean, I don't know.
How you like them, son?
I like it. Like them better whenever I see how much I can turn.
Oh yeah, we gonna see how you can turn. I think I'm gonna go ahead and move my car right now for you.
Never caught on.
Oh, well.
Starting from a distance, make it shit like a big ass toy.
So everybody say my shit look like a toke toy.
I be fresh as fucking, I don't need no stylist. Yeah, niggas they be hating, they be wildin'. Yeah, I don't got the time cause that shit childish. I'm not fucking on that bitch if she got mileage. Yeah, bitches they be lying, they lying. I can never trust them. They claim they love you. Oh no, find out they fucking on your brother. Damn, I be fresh as fucking, I don't need no stylist. Yeah, niggas they be hating, they be wildin'. Yeah, I don't got the time cause that shit childish. I'm not fucking on that bitch if she got mileage. Yeah, bitches they be lying, they lying. I can never trust them. Nah, they claim they love you. Oh, find out they fucking on your brother. Damn, said I can't trust up on no bitch, no more, no love up on no bitch. Bitches they gon' split, yeah, snake up in the